Did you know crows and ravens rank among the smartest animals on Earth? These remarkable birds can solve complex puzzles, use tools, and even remember human faces for years. In experiments, crows have bent wires into hooks to retrieve food, demonstrating creativity once thought unique to humans and primates. Ravens have been observed planning for the future, hiding food and returning later. Their incredible memory allows them to recognize friendly or threatening people, teaching others in their group who to trust or avoid. Avian intelligence truly soars above expectations.